YouTube, Constatu. Well, the madness has started, and it would be helpful if I had put a memory card into my camera, but Sylvie, everyone's shouting about shinies. Good fun altogether. We'll see now what happens. I've got a shiny on both my accounts. Hopefully I'll get another one because a pink Dragonair would be pretty. And everyone else is just looking at us going, what on earth are you doing? As you can see, somebody has nicely lured up all the Pokestops in the park as well, which is great. So, yeah, the non-Pogo players are definitely looking at us all a bit strange. But, 'tis fun, doing what we can. I'm 3 in now, in terms of shinies. So, I definitely can have at least one shiny Dragonair. I should also mention Ireland are playing Scotland in the Six Nations. Come on you boys in green, hashtag team of us. Caught me a little bit by surprise when I saw a lot of Scotsmen going around in kilts, and I'm kind of thinking to myself, it's fucking cold. Don't fucking go around in a kilt or a jersey. You know, buy a scarf, put on a fleece and get yourself warm, for crying out loud. Oh. So it seems to have gone a little bit quieter now in Stephen's Green. I'm going to head to Marion Square. Seems to be more spawns there, so hopefully. And I think we had like 50 or 60 of us battling at the last place I did my AX raid, so hopefully another pass will come out of that. Oh. 'Tis a grand day. Good weather for the match. Hopefully now it'll go well. I might get a chance to actually listen in or tune in or anything like that, because I should be in work by then, unfortunately. But hey ho, we'll see how we go. Well, that's it. All over for today. Surprisingly enough, the Dratini disappeared very quickly. I thought they'd float around like the Love Disc did. I'm going into work for a couple of hours and then I'm going to go home and finally sort through all the Dratini. I think I got like 4 or 5 shinies on one account and then 2 or 3 on another. I'll at least have enough to keep one shiny Dragonair, which is what I want more than I want the green Dragonite. But we'll see how we go. It all depends on their IV as well. Gotta have a cup of tea. I'm pooped. Good to see everyone though. It's long before. Oh, too tired. Fodgery. 3 odd hours of walking around town, actively, manually catching Dratini, trying to do raids, did the raids, well, did the one in Stephen's Green. Got another X-raid pass for that because there was like 60 of us doing it all at once. So, yeah. Only spot of bother is I'm in Waterford that day. So, managed to sort somebody from my local group to do it for me as well because they got the pass. So thank you very much for that. I'd also like to give a shout out to, where are they? Pogo Pins Dublin. That was from the last community day. That's from this community day, and this is my one because I'm a mystic. Oh. I'd love to just lie here for ages, but I think Casualty is coming on and I want to watch Casualty. And I have a cup of hot stuff downstairs waiting for me, so I'm going to put on my pyjamas and chill out the fuck. I'll put pictures of the Dratini that I'm going to keep and all the shinies. I'm going to keep all the shinies anyway, regardless of IV, just because I at least have enough to get a shiny Dragonair in both, and I might evolve one more into shiny Dragonite. Not mad keen on the green Dragonite. It looks like this cartoon dragon that I've seen again. There'll be a picture. But hey ho. And editing will probably happen tomorrow after work at some stage. I have X-rays on Monday as well. Oh. Don't get me wrong, I love having them. I love getting them. But It might get to a stage after like my 7th, 8th Mewtwo where I'm kind of going, meh. Points are good though. Points are very good. Slán go fóill.